Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do a comprehensive video on GST annual return covering each and every aspect of GSTR 9. Now we know that due date of annual return has been extended and there are many more taxpayers to file GSTR 9. One thing is for sure, this video will be very useful for those who want to file GSTR 9 and want to know about it. Before we get into the GSTR 9 filing process, let's take a look at a few things. Who is filing GSTR 9? A registered taxpayer who is a normal taxpayer under GST, other than taxpayer registered under composition, casual taxpayer, input service distributor, non-resident taxpayer, person deducting TDS or collecting TCS. Is it mandatory for all registered taxpayers to file GSTR 9? For financial year 18-19 and financial year 19-20, taxpayers having aggregate turnover up to 2 crore, filing of GSTR 9 is optional. And for taxpayers having aggregate turnover up to 5 crore, filing of GSTR 9C, that is GST audit report, is optional. Due date. The time limit to file annual return for 17-18 has already expired, and due date to file annual return for 18-19 has further extended to 31st December 2020. Penalty for not filed within due date. The late fee for non-filing of GSTR 9 within due date is Rs 200 per day. That means Rs 100 under CGST Act and Rs 100 under SGST Act, subjected to maximum 0.25% of turnover. Let's now look at the steps of GSTR 9 filing process. Logging to GST portal and click Annual Return from Dashboard. There you can see two options: Prepare Online and Prepare Offline. We can file GSTR 9 either in online mode or in offline mode using offline tool. Now you need to choose whether you want to file a nil return for the financial year by clicking yes or no. Opt yes if you are willing to file a nil return, or select no if you are filing a detailed return. Then a GSTR 9 return dashboard will open, where you can see 4 tabs and 19 tables in that dashboard. Click here to download system generated GSTR 9 computation based on the data available in GSTR 3B, GSTR 1 and GSTR 2A. Then use these two options to download annual GSTR 1 summary and annual GSTR 3B summary in PDF format. This tab is related to Table 8, so we will talk about this option when discussing Table 8. Out of 19 tables, 4th table and 5th tables are related to output tax liability and turnover. Then Table 6 to Table 8 related to input tax credit, and Table 9 to Table 19 related to other informations. Notification 56/2019 provides certain relaxation in Form GSTR 9, which we'll also discuss in this video. This relaxation applicable only for financial year 17-18 and 18-19. Now our discussion begins from Table 4. Here the values are get auto-populated on the basis of information provided in GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. From Table 4A to Table 4G, we need to give bifurcated information about various taxable supplies like B2B supplies, B2C supplies, zero-rated supply, that is export with payment of IGST, then supply to special economic zone, supply deemed as export, inward supplies liable to RCM, and tax collected on advance amount. Then you will get gross turnover plus gross tax collected in table 4H. From that gross values, adjust the effect of credit notes or debit notes issued in respect of the above transaction and also adjust the effect of amendments. And you will get taxable net turnover plus net tax collected on such turnover in table 4N. However, as per notification 56/2019, if there is any difficulty in reporting details of credit notes, debit notes or amendments, then there is an option to give net values in table 4B to table 4E. Now take table 5. Here you need to give details of outward supplies on which tax is not payable. We need to give bifurcated information of non-taxable supplies in following manner. Zero rated supply, that is export without payment of tax. Supply to special economic zone without payment of tax. Supplies on which tax is paid by receiver on RCM. Exempted supply, nil rated supply and non-GST supply. As per the said notification, a registered person shall have an option to report consolidated information of nil rated supply, exempted supply and non-GST supply in exempted row only. Then you need to provide the details of credit notes and amendments regarding non-taxable supply. In case there is any difficulty in reporting such details separately in this table, notification 56/2019 also give an option to report table 5A to table 5F as net of amendments, credit notes and debit notes. Now in table 5N, you can see the aggregate turnover plus net tax collected on that turnover.